Okay, hi. So it's Saturday and I'm going to PAX East. Tickets are paid for, flight is paid for, pass is paid for, so I need to go pack. I made it. I made it to Boston. That was a very interesting flight because I have not flown in over 10 years, but everything went fine. Now I'm going to get dressed, settle in, and then I'm gonna head to the convention, so be back in a bit. I'm all set and ready to go. Look at this fit. Whoa, she looks good. I'm all set, ready to go for day one of PAX East. Let's do this. There it is. Yes, sir. There it is. PAX East, baby. Let's go! Rooftop party, let's go! Yeah! Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, day 2 of PAX East. I'm tired. I had a lot of fun last night. We went to a rooftop party and then we went downtown to do some karaoke. A lot of fun, but I'm awake now. Also, hotel beds are really soft. Why is that? Like, I want hotel beds all the time. They're super comfy. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready and then I'm gonna head to the floor, walk around, try and play some games because I couldn't yesterday. I was just meeting up with people. I kind of want to do this more when I go to conventions because it's different. I'm always going for like business or like for all seriousness, but this is like the first time I've actually went to a con and I just hung out with friends and it was just so much fun. So I'm gonna do that more. Future cons, if I do go to them, that's all I'm doing. So if I meet up with y'all, we're having a good time. Just saying. All right, so I'm ready to go and I'm about to head to the floor for day 2. I'm really excited for today. Why are hotel beds so comfy?
I'm doing it like a baby.
Oh, it's all good. Yeah, dude. Yes.
It's been a fun day. So a lot happened today. I did a panel. I went to a really good Italian restaurant with AMD. Thank you. Huge shout out to Leslie. That was a lot of fun. And we went to this bowling alley. I have not been bowling in like 10 years. So today's been so much fun. We just have one day left. I don't do 4-day cons, but we have one day left. Just one day left and then I get to go home. This whole weekend has been, it doesn't feel real. This whole weekend just does not feel like it's happened, but it's just been the greatest weekend I've ever experienced. I've never had this much fun at a convention. I'm sure when I get home, I'm gonna have no voice. So if I don't stream, I'm sorry, y'all. Just the fact that I was like literally going to stream and record and friends were like, no, we want you to come to PAX East. It's been a wild adventure. So it's been great. It's been great. I'm very happy. I'm very grateful. So it is the last day of PAX. As you can tell, I have no voice. I'm really tired. This has been by far the best experience I've ever had. This is my first out-of-state convention and it's just so much fun. I don't know if I'm ever gonna do a 4-day con again. I think 3 is my limit. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. I met a lot of cool people, but I think 3 is my max because I am exhausted. You know that meme where you see SpongeBob just walking like across and he is super tired? That's me right now. I am excited to walk the floor one last time, say my goodbyes, and then get ready to fly back. This is gonna be interesting because again, it's been 10 years since I've been on a plane. Taking off's fine, and then returning home, the pressure is back. Well, it's been great, but it's time to go home. Goodbye, Boston. Goodbye, beautiful view. Alright, deadass, this was fire. Thoughts?
Yes.
Thoughts?
Must have.
This is so good. Get it! So that was definitely a lot of fun. Adding that to my wish list when I get home, because y'all know me, I love Ninja Turtles. It's been a fun journey, but it's time to go back to the airport. So I'll see y'all when I get home. I'm tired. Well, it's been fun. I'm at the airport and I'm going home.
Hi, Beans. Miss y'all so much. I miss y'all so much. Oh, gee.
So I'm back home. I'm tired. It's been a very interesting journey all over Boston and going to PAX. I don't know if I'm gonna do a 4-day convention again because that was a lot. Oh my God, my voice sounds awful. I apologize to everyone who's watching. I don't think I'm gonna do any streams anytime this week because I need a rest. It's been a very, very, very long week, but it's been a lot of fun. It's interesting when you like actually meet your friends, fellow creators. You're just in this different space and you actually get to see like the things you've done and kind of just talk about it with other people. It was great. So I hope y'all enjoyed my first vlog. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I want to do more of this. It's probably not gonna be as bad as this. This is a test. We're gonna see what happens with like other events and stuff. It might be like for gaming trips or just regular outings. I just want to show everybody I'm not just a hardworking content creator. I'm a person too, so it's fine. So I'm gonna try and edit this throughout the week, and I'm also gonna get some sleep because your girl is exhausted. But I hope y'all enjoyed watching my experience. First time ever at PAX, and I will see y'all in future YouTube videos. So y'all have fun, take care, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.